Hello, my name is Dominic, and I'm a local Edinburgh penmaker, author, and history lover. Welcome to my 33-day life reset series. Oh, so many memories at the Inch Park. I spent a lot of time here when I first moved to Scotland during COVID. This place became my sanctuary during those uncertain times. Sounds like today though. And now to one of Edinburgh's most impressive yet underrated fortresses, CRAIGMILLAR Castle. Built in the late 14th century by the Preston family, this magnificent castle sits on the hill overlooking Edinburgh and remains one of Scotland's best preserved medieval castles. Castle is steeped in dramatic history. Mary Queen of Scots sought refuge here in 1566 after the murder of her secretary David Rizzio. And it was within these very walls that a plot to murder her husband Lord Darnley was allegedly hatched. Unlike Edinburgh Castle, CRAIGMILLAR offers visitors the chance to explore freely without crowds, wandering through its towered house, great hall and defensive halls that tell 600 years of Scottish history. The castle's strategic position and remarkable intact structure make it a hidden treasure that showcases medieval architecture and the turbulent politics of Renaissance Scotland. Today, it stands as a reminder to Scotland's complex past, offering breathtaking views across Edinburgh and a tangible connection to the dramatic life of Mary Queen of Scots. I really hope you enjoyed today's side quest. If you like the video, please share it with friends, subscribe, check links in the description, and see you again tomorrow. Thank you for watching.